mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigiles a tus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the train. If an item should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and talk to your cast member. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your enjoyment tonight, the Disneyland Park will be closing at 12 o'clock midnight. California Adventure Park closing at 10 p.m. Tram service will continue for 1 hour after Disneyland's closure. The last and final tram will be at 1 o'clock in the morning. Driver, you are clear.
We're now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you're here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order food for pickup. For extra convenience, try Disney Max Pass. With Disney Max Pass, you can make digital Disney Fast Pass selections right from your phone and get unlimited PhotoPass downloads. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please be sure to keep your ticket. Just ahead is the downtown Disney District with exciting shopping, dining, and live entertainment. Just beyond it is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, inspired by the famed arts and crafts movement in California. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, watch your step, and exit to the driver's left. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you have a happy and memorable visit to the Disneyland Resort.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we approach the unload area, take this opportunity now to look up. So you can see exactly how low the ceiling is above your head. So, as you go to exit and you need to stand up, try to remember to lower your head. Watch your step and only use the exit doors on the driver's and my left-hand side. Left-hand side of the tram is where you see the monorail track, the green hand railing, and the little grassy areas. For everybody's safety on board the tram, please do not go out on the street or the driveway side. Just the drivers to my left. So watch your head, watch your step, pull up, push out. Have a great day, everyone.